If speaking English scares you, if you know the words but your mind goes blank when someone talks to you, or if you're tired of being told, just speak more, this video is for you. You do not need to speak to anyone to improve your English, and I'll show you how. Welcome to day one of the 21-day English Fluency Reset, where I'll be teaching you how to become fluent in English in 21 days. I get messages every day from people who tell me that their dream is to learn English. They try so hard, they study, they watch videos, but still, speaking feels terrifying. You are not lazy. You are not stupid. You are not bad at English. You just need to learn English the right way. And that's what I'm here for. So, we're starting this series the easiest way possible. Here are 3 ways to practice English without speaking to anybody. Number one is to read real conversations, conversations that happen in a day to day life. Because in the beginning, you want to focus on context over rules. Context before the rules. The fastest way to learn English is not grammar drills, it's actually learning how English is used in conversations, in the day to day life, while texting. That's the fastest way for you to grasp the patterns and understand how to replicate those. You can start by reading short dialogues, WhatsApp style texts, everyday situations like school, work, friends. Guess what? I have a lot of those for you. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll help you practice some real life conversations in English. When you read conversations like that, your brain learns the patterns, not the pressure. Number two is kind of similar to number one, but it makes a huge difference between knowing conversations and actually saying those conversations, saying those words and sentences to people, like engaging in conversations. And that is reading them out loud. You can first start reading in your head while you're learning those conversations, and then move on to reading them out loud. You don't have to worry about being judged or being laughed at because you're doing this while you're alone. For example, when I was in high school, I was learning Spanish through this app called Duolingo. And mind you, I live in one of the smallest countries in West Africa. Who in the world would I practice Spanish with? But fast forward to today, I still remember most of those sentences and I can say them out loud with confidence. Yo hablo español. Yo necesito dinero. And I could honestly go on forever. Now, you're probably wondering, how did I practice speaking Spanish when there was no Spanish speaking person around me? Well, let me tell you. Every time I learned a new sentence or a new word in Spanish, I'll go around my room saying it out loud. For example, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? I would say it over and over again. And another thing I did was I would say these words to my family over and over again, even though they understood nothing at all. And even at school, I would say the same things to my friends. I'll be like, "Tu hablas español?" And they'll be like, "I have no idea what you're saying." But I'll still be like, "Well, yo hablas, yo hablas español. Yo quiero agua." Let's just say I traumatized them. But doing that over and over made my brain recognize the patterns in Spanish sentences, and I was able to memorize those sentences and even construct my own sentences with words that I learned. So, my point is the more you say these sentences out loud, the more they stick to your brain. Here's a quick science fact: your brain loves repetition. That's how it learns faster. Think about it. For example, if you are learning to dance, you have to repeat those steps over and over and over again before you actually get them right. So why not the same thing for English? You see where I'm getting? You need to say English sentences out loud, even if you make mistakes, even if you're alone. And if someone catches you talking to yourself and they think you're crazy, don't mind them because by the end of these 21 days, you'll be speaking English way better than them. So go ahead, ask yourself a question, then answer it yourself. Your brain will analyze these patterns and be like, okay, so this is how it works. So this is how she's supposed to say this. This is how I'm supposed to say this. Okay, that is how it begins. Okay, now listen. I'm gonna hold your hand while I say this. You are way smarter than you think. Your brain is way more powerful than you can ever imagine it is. And if you work with your brain, not against it, you become fluent in English faster than you think you can. Trust me. Method number three is to write replies before speaking. If speaking still feels scary, try writing instead. So think of a question and ask yourself, how would I reply to this question? Write it down. For example, hi, how are you? You can write on, you know what you should do? Buy a notebook, okay, specifically for English learning and start writing down answers to questions. Start trying to form your own sentences, okay, through writing. And then once you get comfortable with that, you can then move on to saying those sentences and those words out loud. Now, for the fun part, let's practice some simple English sentences. Sentences, sentences that you can do every day. Save this video so you can practice these sentences every day. And here's a tip, while you're practicing, try to ask them out because your brain will associate your actions to the words you're saying. So next time you feel that way or you're in that situation, the words will come naturally. Listen to me, I'm a science girl, okay? So I'm going to be mixing science with English for you so you can learn faster. Now, time to practice. Let's go. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm fine. See that? Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm fine. See how I'm acting it out? That's how you should be doing it. So next time you see your friend and if someone that's like an English speaking person and they tell you, "Hi, how are you?" You can be like, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" And they'll be like, "I'm fine." I kind of feel like turning this into a song. Hear me out. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Hi, how are you? No. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm fine. I don't know, maybe a song will make it easier for you to remember. You can try it out if you want to. Now, repeat after me. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Good job. Sentence number two. So, what are you doing today? I'm just relaxing at home. Say, if someone asks you, maybe on the phone or they come home, they come to visit you and ask you, so what are you doing today? You'll be like, oh, I'm just relaxing at home. What are you doing today? I'm just relaxing at home. What are you doing today? I'm just relaxing at home. Repeat after me. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? I'm just relaxing at home. I'm just relaxing at home. Good job. Sentence number three. Are you busy right now? Not really. What's up? So if someone asks you if you're busy and you're not busy, you can be like, not really. What's up? So you're asking them, why are you asking, or what do you need? So that's hence, what's up? So, are you busy today? Not really. What's up? Are you busy today? Not really. What's up? Now, repeat after me. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Not really. What's up? Not really. What's up? Good job. Okay. Sentence number four. Four. Did you eat already? Yeah, I ate earlier. So, if someone asks you if you've eaten, but you've already eaten before, you can just say, yeah, I ate earlier. For example, you're at a party and they've served food, right? They've gone around to serve the food, and you've already eaten, and they come again for the second time, and they ask you, "Did you eat already?" You can be like, "Yeah, I ate earlier." Did you eat already? Yeah, I ate earlier. Did you eat already? Yeah, I ate earlier. So, repeat after me. Did you eat already? Did you eat already? Yeah, I ate earlier. Yeah, I ate earlier. Yeah, I ate earlier. Good job. Now, sentence number five. What time is it? It's 3 p.m. right now. So you're asking someone for the time. Or if someone asks you for the time, what time is it? It's 3 p.m. right now. Or you can say, it's around 3 p.m. That's if it's not exactly 3 p.m., you can say, it's around 3 p.m. So, what time is it? Repeat after me. What time is it? What time is it? It's around 3 p.m. It's around 3 p.m. What time is it? It's around 3 p.m. What's time? What time is it? It's around 3 p.m. What time is it? It's around 3 p.m. Good job. By the way, if you want these sentences in a PDF, in PDF form, I already have a free PDF with English tips, plus these sentences and more, prepositions, antonyms, synonyms, all of them, right? It's inside the PDF for free. It's a 49-page PDF I made just for you. Comment the word PDF and I will send you the link to download it. Okay, now, sentence number six. If someone asks you, can you help me with this? Sure, no problem. Can you help me with this? Sure, no problem. Can you help me with this? Repeat after me. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Can you help me with this? Sure, no problem. Can you help me with this? Sure, no problem. Okay, we're almost done. Now, sentence number seven. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. So if someone asks you, where are you going? And you're going to the market, you can be like, I'm going to the market. So repeat after me. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I am going to the market. Good. So, where are you going? I'm going to the market. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Sentence number 8. 8. Do you understand? Yeah, I get it. Yes, I get it. Do you understand? Yes, I get it. So if someone asks you, do you understand? You can say, yes, I get it. So repeat after me. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I get it. Yes, I get it. To get something means to understand something. Now, for the last sentence for today. Are you free tomorrow? If someone asks you, are you free? Or maybe since Valentine's Day is coming soon, if someone says, are you free tomorrow? You can be like, yeah, I think so. Are you free tomorrow? Yeah, I think so. Repeat after me. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? So if you want to ask a girl out or ask a boy out, you can ask that. You can say that. Yes. No. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Now, those are the 9 sentences I have for you today. If you want more, come in PDF and I'll send you the free PDF with more sentences and very useful English tips, all for free. To the person watching this at night, the one who wishes to speak freely, the one who feels left behind, I just want you to know you're not behind. You just needed a kinder way to learn English. Don't worry, you have me. Now, if you want to learn English faster or speak English faster and you want me to help you personally, let's hop on a one-on-one video call on WhatsApp. I'm giving out 5 free video calls to serious students only. Only apply for this if you're serious. Comment down below, call, and I'll send you the link so we can hop on a call whenever I have some time. For now, it's bye bye. I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Save this video and practice every day. Send this to your friends and family who you want to learn English with. 2026 is the year you finally become fluent in English. If you believe it. I believe it. Oh, you can follow me on Instagram for easy English lessons daily. And I also have a free group chat on Instagram you can join for more English tips and lessons. And if you loved this video so much, make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more useful videos like this with even more resources coming your way. Happy to help as always. See you.